ituki, yeah. Second round, faster. Yepo, itata, yepo. Yepo, itata, yes. Smile. Yepo, itata, yepo. Ituki, yepo. Ituki, yeah. Faster. Yepo, itata, yepo. Yepo, itata, yeah. Yepo, itata, yepo. Ituki, yepo. Ituki, yeah. Let's make it harder. Do you want more? We will do the bouncing move. Okay? Yepo, itata. Hold. But if you are sitting with a lady, hold it with a care. Huh? Handle it with care. Huh? Pero boys ganit, burak na. Huh? Yepo, itata, yeah. Hold it. Yepo, itata, yeah. Go. Yepo, itata, yepo. Ituki, yepo. Ituki. Okay, let's say. From right, yepo, tap the shoulder of the left person beside you. And ask him. Just like asking, are you okay? Yepo, itata, yepo. Yepo, itata. Smile. Smile. Go. Yepo, itata, yepo. Ito. Yepo. Let's do the third bounce. 1, 2, and 3. And then smile. Ready, huh? Ready, go. Yepo, itata, yepo. Hold it. Yepo, itata, smile. Go. Yepo, itata, yepo. Ituki, yepo. Ituki, yeah. Let's make it faster so that it will be more fun and lively. Is that okay? Let's do it. The bouncing 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Go. Yepo, itata, yepo. Go. Yepo, itata. Smile. We go. Yepo, itata, yepo.